Coronavirus vaccine administered in Minnesota today.
That story tops your news at 6:30 with Tim and BC.
This is Fox 9 News at 6:30.
Well, more Minnesotans are getting the first doses of the Pfizer vaccines as more continue arriving at hospitals across the state.
Fox 9's Rob Olson is at the Minneapolis VA hospital tonight with more on the rollout and distribution.
No, go for it.
Go for it.
With a simple shot in the arm, Nurse Tara Whitty became an incidental part of pandemic history.
Pure luck. I just happened to have the first appointment.
The first dose of COVID vaccine administered at the VA Medical Center in Minneapolis. The shot may be simple, but what it delivered and what it means is so much deeper.
I got cheers from my colleagues this morning on my way out the door. I think everyone is just kind of feeling really hopeful that this is the beginning of the end. There's a light at the end of the tunnel.
The vaccines delivered to federal agencies are able to be given right away because those agencies have already gone through the necessary training. That's why the first shots actually given in Minnesota were to 10 healthcare workers at the Cass Lake Indian Health Services on Monday. 10 more given at White Earth Indian Health Services on Tuesday. Vaccines being delivered to federal tribal areas across the state and immediately being used.
In total, we will reach 35 entities. Throughout the week, we will likely vaccinate 1,950 people.
Hospitals, which are chosen as distribution hubs, began getting doses on Monday, and Tuesday morning, North Memorial showed off their first 975, which had to go right into a freezer.
So we have 5 minutes to get this in once we open it up.
But hospitals and clinics coming under state authority won't start vaccinating until late this week or early next week. They still need to go through that training, and the health department says safety and patience is important.
Starting to vaccinate people tomorrow versus a few days later won't make a huge difference in the grand scheme of things when it comes to changing the trajectory of the pandemic.
Chris Erishman noting that the first couple thousand doses of vaccine arrived in Minnesota on Monday. Thousands more arriving daily here, expecting to have tens of thousands of them in state by the end of the week. In Minneapolis, Rob Olson, Fox 9.